Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Unplug your ice maker before any repair to stay safe. Noises usually come from loose parts or a faulty motor, which you can often fix with basic tools and the manual. But if electrical components or refrigerant are involved, call a professional to avoid injury or damage. Always prioritize safety to keep your kitchen running smoothly.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.